Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of sine x, we have negative cosine x. This one we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. So we know that x equal to number 0, y equal to negative number 2. So I will put number 0 gone here and negative number 2 gone here. And now cosine of number 0 we have number 1. This one in here we have negative number 2. And now I will put negative number 2 go to the left. And we have positive number 1. And now I will put number 1 gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.